Yo guys, hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is a trade recap on last night's trade. Um, my daily bias, I was bullish for the day. I was not looking for any shorts. My first entry I took, I actually got stopped out losing $700. I thought my initial risk was $435, but I've obviously calculated it wrong, and when I go on my demo account, you just quickly see my risk, it's set around like 400. So I thought it would be around there, but I ended up losing 700 from that. How I entered was we came down, swept to London. We aligned with the standard deviation minus 2.5 for a reversal. And we also tapped into this order block, and then we broke structure, and we also had a higher time frame SMT. I got cooked, like I got stopped out within maybe a minute. I was like, alright, I want to look for another entry. So, and this is one of my biggest trades, like my biggest RR I've taken in a very long time. I think this whole year. So then after that, we kept coming down. I was like, alright, we're going to sweep Asia, which also aligns with the -4 on the standard deviation. I was like, alright, boom, we're going to sweep Asia. Can you see my execution level? I think you can. Hold up. It doesn't show now, but initially I was on my other accounts trying to execute it and wouldn't execute because I wasn't executing my leader account. I tried to execute literally right here, bottom tick in this, so my entry would have been like this, but then we entered it just above here. Over here is I realized then. So we swept liquidity, Asia. We re-tapped into this 1 minute order block. So we entry triggered that on the 32nd, and we also created a lower time frame SMT and a higher time frame. So this was very A+ for me, and then I just took the longs. Initially I was targeting this high, Asia. But then I just didn't want to be greedy. I just targeted that, so we risked $300 to make $1,300, so which wiped out our loss, our $700 loss, and we got a bit of profit after that. Yesterday's trade we took, I think it was Thursday, we hit break even. We literally got edged by a tick, but it is what it is. This was probably, honestly, yeah, like I said, my best trade I've taken all year. So we're definitely seeing some improvement. I'm risking a lot less. I'm on 3 accounts instead of 5. I'm going to build it my way back up. And hopefully we start seeing crazy results from now. Yeah, so we are getting there. Anyways, I don't want to keep this video too long. I'm going to wrap it up. It was a very simple recap, nothing too crazy. Literally, we swept liquidity, Asia, London, aligned with standard deviation. We had a high time frame SMT and a low time frame SMT. Entry triggered it on the order block on the 32nd, and then just took it to London highs, and that was it. Did we manipulate? I don't know. But I know my daily bias was longs. I wasn't, because we came down, swept liquidity, and I wasn't going to re-enter on the 15-minute for a reversal. I didn't think this was going to keep coming down at all. We're also at all-time highs. Anyways, I'm going to wrap it up. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next recap. Alright.